Yo, what is going on everyone? If you guys are looking for a Valorant skin changer, keep watching this video guys, because I have something even better than a Valorant skin changer. I actually found a way to get free skins in Valorant absolutely for free guys, in only 2 minutes, and you don't really need to get any Valorant skin changer. As you guys know, the Valorant skin changers only change your skins locally, which means other people cannot see your skins. But with this method, I'm gonna show you guys how you can get pretty much every skin in the game, including expensive skins, for free. So keep watching till the end guys, because I'm gonna show you how I did it. So as you guys can see, I got thousands of Valorant points. I got them all for free guys. So basically with all these points, as you can see, I have thousands of points of Valorant points. I can get pretty much every skin in the game guys, so you don't really need to get any Valorant skin changer ever again guys, because this method is way better than the Valorant skin changer, and it works as of May 2022. This is the link guys, go check it out and let me know down in the comments below if it worked. Here just enter your Valorant username. I'm doing just that right now. Tap on this button where it says your platform and select Windows, tap continue. Now just select the amount of Valorant points, just go ahead and select the maximum amount guys, it's safe. Now select the radiante points, tap continue, and that is pretty much it guys. That's how you get all the skins in Valorant for free. And as I've said, you will never need to get any Valorant skin changer again. You don't need those guys, because only you can see the skins if you're using a skin changer. But with this method, as I said, you can get the skins officially, which means other people will be able to see your skins as well. This is why it's way better than using a Valorant skin changer. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please smash that like button and subscribe if you got your Valorant points and your Valorant skins. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.